Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to find people on Instagram quickly and easily. If you want to search for friends, family, or anyone on Instagram, now let's get started. Step 1, open Instagram on your phone. This is where all profiles, posts, and stories are accessible. Step 2, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens the Explore page where you can search for people and content. Step 3, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This allows you to type in the name or username of the person you want to find. Step 4, type the name or username of the person you want to find. This helps Instagram filter results to show the correct profiles. Step 5, browse the search results to find the correct profile. Make sure to check profile pictures and usernames carefully to select the right person. Step 6, tap the profile to open it and view their posts, stories, and profile information. This lets you confirm it's the person you are looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy Instagram tips and tutorials.